Hey there friends, Susan here at Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch number 44 to share today. Now we're going to be stamping with the inked Botanicals DSP. I'm pairing it with Berry Vanilla and we're using two different panels. The first panel is shown here above. We're going to use the yellow section, and here's the second section. We're going to use both of those two pieces on the right hand side. Now I die cut a circle with stylish shaped dies from the large yellow panel. We're going to use that to stamp our sentiment on and use it as a focal point on top of our card. Then I took this small strip and used my paper snips, and I trimmed out 3 of the flowers to use as embellishment on the top of our card. So here are all the parts and pieces we're going to use to build the project today. Remember, all the details can be found on my mini tutorials. Just subscribe to the link below. To start, we're going to score, fold, and crease our base cardstock. Then we're going to add the larger piece to completely front that card, so use your liquid adhesive. Then we're going to add the second panel of a DSP right over the top of that die cut circle. No one will know it's missing. Then we're going to add our sentiment, and then we just go ahead and pop up the 3 flowers with dimensionals around the bottom of that sentiment tag. Pretty simple, and we used all that DSP and no one's gonna know we trimmed out that little circle. If you like the project today, remember, give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment. You can subscribe here to the channel as well. That's always appreciated. And if you need to reach out to me, contact me with my contact form below to get the newsletter or just ask a question. Until next time, do some fun stamping.